I guess.
Alright, man, what's up?
We're running late, so we should probably start driving and I'll record.
I don't know, man. It's a little bit. It's not even warm.
Rev it. You just have to drive it.
Okay, we're gonna keep it under 1,000 RPMs. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. So honestly, we were supposed to meet Nick a while ago, but we're running a bit late here. Right there, that shit was insane. I don't know if you guys can use that. Guys, we're in Bimmerfest. Finally. That's crazy. Guys, that M3, I don't know if you guys can see over there, is insane. So many. I like the way it came out. Appreciate it, man. A lot of work. Appreciate it, dude. Fuck off, dick. Dumb boy. That's crazy. I saw the comps. I didn't bash as hard as I'd want to.
But we still messed up.
Which that is like the main event. I think there's tents over there. Should we go over there? Where? Oh shit. There's only 92 M3s.
That's safe for everyone.
Wow, look at the United. 20th anniversary Bimmerfest limited edition.
Dude,
that's sick, honestly. Limited edition.
Then we
I might
also got
frame
this
that.
too.
Yeah. End up just framing that shit. That'd be dope. Rev it up, bro. Rev up that supercharger, dog. I like the look.
I'm so fucking happy to fucking see you, dude. Holy shit. That's so sick.
So I got a few right
and
here.
then the video's out. Habibi.
No, yeah, for sure. Rock those?
Yeah, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. I follow you on Instagram, dude. I'm gonna have to tag you with these.
100%.
Oh, shit.
Dude, look at all these BMWs. This is sick.
I'm trying to find Nick. Oh, here it is. Oh, here's Masterminds and all their cars right here. As for the scoops, that's the second guy right there. Still using the manual key here.
I lucked out.
Yeah, dude. Alright, bro. It's nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, you too.
Alright, guys, so finally here, ran into a few subscribers already, which is pretty dope. I'm seeing all Masterminds' cars right here. I know Nick's car is down there somewhere, so we'll have to find them. But in the meantime, let's just check out a few cars. Hopefully I get a cinematic in the end for you guys. But yeah, so far it's pretty dope. I'm pretty excited. Hey, what's going on, bro? You want a decal? Alright, that's what's up.
Justin.
Justin.
Yeah,
all right.
I messaged you.
Is it Nour?
Hey, what's going on, bro?
Oh, man, I'm a subscriber, bro.
Nice to meet you, man. What's your name? Muhammad. Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up.
What's up, Johnny?
How you doing, bro?
What's going on, dude? Yeah, got you, man. One as well?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Thank you.
Okay. I see you. On the spot?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh yeah, looks like a good. I appreciate you rocking the hashtag, my dude. Justin, right?
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. Honestly, sick whip. I'm honestly meeting so much of you guys. That's honestly, that's awesome. Check out. These are all Mastermind's cars. I think that's Mastermind's. I think that's his friend. Not really too sure what's going on here. Hope we get a 6 cinematic for you guys in a little bit. But hey, what's going on, bro?
Big fan, basic rear wheels. I got the SAVEABMW on my E38 over there.
Damn, that's what's up. Right on, dude.
So I was like, this dude's cool, he's from Sac, I'll fucks with him.
That's what's up, man.
You're inspirational, I respect what you do.
Man, I love you guys, honestly. This is honestly crazy. Like literally, I see you guys everywhere. That's crazy.
Out of this area and go like somewhere else because everybody's pulling us back.
Yeah, let's try to find ESG and Nick. That's like something I want to do real quick. Oh damn, boys. M4 GTS. Zam boy, zam. Yeah, so let me know what you honestly think about this color. I was either thinking about interlagos blue, or I think this is called marina blue. That's clean.
Apparently he watches your videos and I don't.
Yeah. No, that's what's up, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry? You haven't done it yet? Oh, you did it? Perfect, bro. Perfect. All right, bro, take care.
Miami, Dade County, let's rise.
I'm from Miami, bitch. Yeah, that's Miami streets. And all the haters wanna push us, try to give us heat. Baby, we live in heat, so drop your shit and drop the beat. Let's party in my streets and leave the hotel room with dirty sheets. I'm no holds barred, baby, I'm gung-ho. They saying, girl, you ain't Jamaican, accents gotta go. And I say, hell no, I got Jamaica in my lungs. It's that good hydro, I got that
smart dude. Hi, Johnny.
You were in my video.
Food.
Thank you.
Alright, have it going, alright?
You too.
I literally just saw your car over there and I tagged you. I was like, you gotta hit me up or what?
I didn't even
Yeah, no, that's what's up. Dude, for the first time getting to meet you, that's what's up. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys know, I'm trying to get the face to focus here. That was ESG, so shout out to ESG. I love this dude. I don't know, never met him before. First time meeting him and I still love him. Good guy. Alright guys, me and Jonathan are packing for day 2, so let's see you guys at day 2 of Bimmerfest. So, don't come to day 2. If you missed day 1, don't come to day 2.
I don't think it's a good idea. Look at this was packed yesterday. Completely packed.
I was asking Nick, I'm like, bro, come on, dude, we have BMW channels, you know, it wouldn't hurt coming 2 days in a row. He's like, nah, man, I'm just coming the first day. And I'm just like, I think I know why now. He's probably been coming here a few years. For me, it's my first time. So we'll show you guys the experience. I think we're gonna be hitting up the track, so that'd be kind of cool, so. It's time. All right. Yeah, it's nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. What's going on, dude? Which car is yours? Did you bring one? You didn't bring one? That's typical BMW stuff. Yeah. It's all good. His car is currently at home. You couldn't bring it because all kinds of problems as well. What's going on? Nice to
You're
meet
tall
you,
in person, bro.
William, bro.
Nice to see you, man. Yeah, how you doing, man?
Nice to meet you guys.
Where'd you get those bicycles from?
Omega 2.
Omega 2.
Link down below. We just threw those on.
No, yeah, because I looked at them like, dude, look at the air suits, bro.
Actually, I love them. I was like, I had to throw them on before the event. I got it literally, they overnight shipped it, and I got it like the day before. So.
Oh, Saturday week. He has the sticker on his back right here. The BMW sticker.
Hey!
Kelly went on wrong. He sacrificed it, bro. I got sacrificed.
He hit his own car to detail. I watched it.
He got you.
I appreciate that. Dude, he flicked it, then it hit his car. So that's a real one right there. Damn. I'm about to throw this on the dash.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, you want to explain what's going on?
Alright guys, so telling us, they're kicking us out. They said my car's too loud. It was too nice. I couldn't rock it, so Dude, honestly, this is pretty dope coming back here instead.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
This guy gets.
Dude, the detail, damn. What's going on, Cliff?
Today. What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
Not much, man. You're a little cloudy today, but
Yeah, what's going on, Brian?
Nour.
What's going on,
What's up, dude? Oh my gosh!
We missed you guys yesterday. Where y'all at? Kind of came
We
late
were
today?
here for the whole show.
Oh, well, about that.
Mr. I leave at 1 o'clock.
So we came at like 7:30.
What, did you have a lunch date?
We came super early. So I mean, you know, we got tired. We got tired. It's nice seeing you, man.
Nice to see you.
But yeah, so your son also watches you said, or who?
No, me.
Oh, you.
Me, I'm the one.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Actually, I was about to head out. So honestly, like, dude, good looks, man. You want some decaf? No. Sure, dude. This is the OG name of what we started.
What we started.
That's crazy. That's actually crazy. That's awesome.
Miami, Dade County, let's ride.
I'm from Miami, bitch. Yeah, that's Miami streets. And all the haters wanna push us, try to give us heat. Baby, we live in heat, so drop your shit and drop the beat. Let's party in my streets and leave the hotel room with dirty sheets. I'm no holds barred, baby, I'm gung-ho. They saying, girl, you ain't Jamaican, accents gotta go. And I say, hell no, I got Jamaica in my lungs. It's that good hydro, I got that poppy flow. I'm feeling irate, party work and chill on the beach all day. Got Corona in my hands, got that iron in my blood. Got my toes in the sand, and my God is the sun. I'm shaking up the game, trying to test my luck. Living life every day, power comes up. Yeah, I'm working on some things, getting my weight up. I'm heading Cali to the hate, I'm saying what.
So we're going.
Alright, it started up.
We're going, boys.
Oh, here we go.
It's like a roller coaster.
This is crazy.
Feels like a roller coaster right now.
I'm heading Cali to the hate, I'm saying what, yeah. We in that heat wave, what people leave face. Working to get paid, this town ain't all play. The girlies like, yeah, they like the heart race. White girl on a white
Guys, we on the
girl's
track.
face. And I'm a wow, but what you doing for the thrill?
Oh, I think dude, they're gonna pick right now the entire row.
Yeah, dude, that's sick.
Guys, I'm gonna have to buy it.
Yeah, you're
I have to buy it.
Tryna test my luck, living life every day, power comes up. Yeah, I'm working on some things, getting my weight up. I'm shaking up the game, tryna test my luck, living life every day, power comes up. Yeah, I'm working on some things, getting my weight up. I'm heading Cali to the hate, I'm saying what, yeah. My town likes to party all of the time, all of the time. Take me down to prime. Give me a steak, if it's bloody, that's fine. Got a roach in my pocket, took Mary Jane to dine. Let me clear my throat.
Alright guys, we made it home. This is absolutely crazy. We left super early, made it home, and yeah, it's been crazy. Bimmerfest, this was absolutely insane. I love every single one of you guys so much. Everyone that came up was just such genuine people. I'm just happy to say that you guys are part of the fam. You guys are just so genuine. I love you all. Everyone was just so kind. Everyone was just so ecstatic. It was a great event. If you guys want me to come out to Bimmerfest 2020 next year, make sure to smash that like button. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button. And also, shout out to Jonathan. He helped me edit this video. He helped me, like, for the majority of the video, helped me pick out the songs for it. This dude's pretty good with montages. He's new to YouTube, but I think he knows what he's doing, so it's pretty crazy. So if you guys want to check out his channel, make sure to check it out down below. But yeah, without further ado, I just want to give a huge shout out to everyone I met there, especially Nick, especially Keys Motorsports. I've been talking to them for a very long time, and meeting them in person, it's just amazing. I met Lime Rock, I've met a few other people that I really wanted to meet. It's been a blast. I really enjoyed it, and hopefully one day I'll be able to move down to LA and we can make videos and all kinds of good stuff down there. So if you guys again want to see that happen, make sure to smash that like button because it really helped me and I would gladly appreciate it. So without further ado guys, remember to stay humble. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth.